Zimbabwe's main opposition leader, Azowana Chamisa, has declared that the time has come to address the nation's ongoing political crisis, which he argues is hindering the country's progress and development. Saka kuna mashoko tokona Nelson Chamisa achiti aiwa yasvika nguva aiwa yekuisa action yekuresolve the political crisis yenyika yeZimbabwe. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. In a statement released on Tuesday, Chamisa emphasizes the critical need to restore trust between the government and the people in order to foster national unity and success. There is no government that can ever prosper, succeed, or be functionally effective when the majority of the citizens are not in agreement with it, Chamisa stated. He went on to stress that the deep-rooted mistrust between the government and the citizens has been a major obstacle to the country's advancement. We must and will fix the problem, he added, showing his resolve to address the issue ahead on. The opposition leader's call to action highlights the urgency for dialogue and political reconciliation as Zimbabwe faces a crossroads in its path to stability and prosperity. His comments resonate with many citizens who have long expected frustration with the current political climate and are eager for change. Tomashukwa anoona panapa anoita kuona Nelson Chamisa achiti panguva ino vari kuona kuti the regime, the ruling party zvinoratidza kuti zvinenge zvadhakwa, akuona achiti aiwa ndo paane mukana kuti vachava vachifikisa politics dzemunyika. Budisa mafunguro enyu muti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda kuma section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.